Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare an instant stuffed dosa recipe. The dosa is looking very soft and crispy too. I have taken about 1 cup of wheat rava, that is 250 gram. My wheat rava kernels are a little bit bigger in size, so I am going to coarsely grind it once again. So transfer the wheat rava to a blender jar and coarsely powder it. So transfer the powdered rava to a wide vessel. Along with it, I am adding about 3 teaspoons of rice flour, the salt that is required for this batter, a pinch of cooking soda. Mix it well. Along with it, I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of thick curd. Make sure that the curd is not sour. Add the water that's required for this batter and mix it well. So if your rava is of a smaller sized kernel, then there is no need to coarsely grind it. Now cover it with a lid and set it aside for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, as you can see, the rava has been soaked well and it's looking nice and thick. Now add the water that's required. Just the consistency of the batter. The batter should be of an idli batter consistency. So our batter is now ready. Now let's prepare the stuffing. I have heated about 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadai. To it I am adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Now add about half of a big onion. Finely chop them. 2 finely chopped green chilies. Few curry leaves. Saute it well. A handful of shredded cabbage, a handful of grated carrot, and a handful of finely chopped capsicum. Along with it, I have taken about 50 gram of fresh green peas and I have coarsely grounded it. So if we add as a whole green peas, then we won't be able to stuff it. So I have coarsely grounded it. Add the salt that's required for this vegetables. So wait until the vegetables are cooked. As you can see, the vegetables have been cooked well. Now to this I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a good mix. So instead of the fresh green peas, you can even add boiled and mashed potato or any other veggies to it. So our stuffing is ready. Turn off the flame. So now prepare small patties out of this stuffing. Set it aside. So grease a dosa tawa with oil or ghee and pour a ladle full of batter to it. Now place the prepared stuffing and pour a little bit more of batter and spread it out gently. Cover it with a lid and cook it in a low flame. So when one side has turned golden brown, add little more oil and flip it onto the other side. So instead of oil, you can even use ghee. So make sure that you are cooking it in a low flame so that the dosa will be nice and crisp. As you can see, the stuffed dosa is ready and it's looking very nice and crisp. So a very simple and easy dosa recipe. Now I'll cut and show you one. Yes, it's looking very crispy from outside and soft inside. So you can serve it with any kind of chutney. I have prepared coconut chutney for this stuffed dosa. Now let's prepare it using a appam tawa. So similarly, pour a ladle full of batter after greasing the tawa and place the prepared stuffing to it, and once again pour a little bit more of batter and gently spread it out. Cover it with a lid and cook it well on both the sides. The dosa is looking nice and crispy even in the appam tawa. So a very simple and easy breakfast recipe which can be prepared in very few minutes. You can serve it with any kind of chutney. Try out this yummy recipe and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.